Okay, fine. So first of all, we're gonna remove these things, and secondly, we're going to apply the GPU. Thank you. Who's there? Oh, Ezio. Wow, you're here. Is there people there? Oh, okay, no, there's no crew, but you're there. The fuck are you doing, man? Have you ever left the helicopter? Have you always stayed here? Wow, man. Are you still rough as usual? Yes, look. Man, you really need to do something. Shave a bit, yeah? Please. Right, okay. It's free, the verticopter. Ah, nice. Used to be a payware. Wow. When is my first pilot? Ah, no, man, Chevy, there's gonna be a long time still. There's gonna be a long while. Also because I need to sort the audio first. I really don't know how to route the audio. So I need to do some tests first, so it's gonna take a while. I don't know if it's gonna happen before Christmas, to be honest. I don't think so. We'll see though, we'll see. Never say never, man, never say never. So now this is the roll. That's the pitch. That's a collective. Boom. It's fine. It should be fine. Now, let's see if I can still remember how to do this. Batteries first. Very good. Inverters. Very good. We have a bit of fans going on. Turn on this. Turn on this. It kinda it's a bit useful. This maybe, and this maybe. So yeah, Chevy, it'd be nice. It'd be nice. I'm sure I'll keep thinking about it, yeah. Trust me. But we'll see. I have to see. I need to sort a couple of things first with the system here. So, let me see. Do this pumps on. Open this. And open this. Okay. This one maybe, yeah. And I think we can get started. Start engine 2, please. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, sexy female. That's fine. I guess that's something, yeah, they need to do, yeah, to make sure there's enough customers. It could be. So this is generator 2 now on, and we're gonna start engine 1. It's starting. It's nice. Ezio, are you okay? Yeah, you ready, Ezio? Yeah? Good man, good boy. I know, I know, don't worry, I know already. Yes, I know. I know it can work like one anyway. It could work like one. It could end up working like one, so I'm not sure. But we'll see, we'll see. One day maybe. Now, governors and these babies, I don't know, but they're useful. And basically now, what we are gonna do, we're gonna increase the power here and here. Alright, take the seat. Disconnect the GPU maybe, yeah, that'd be nice. So RPMs are still not high enough. Wait, they're getting there slowly, but not enough. So what we will do is give them even more. There you go. And now, guys, here we go. Let's start. Let's see what I don't know what can be done here. So first of all, we know there's no helipad. Secondly, I might need to roll to fix my roll. Okay, it's a bit of okay. Is this wind? Probably. All right. Let's go. Alright, so there should be a ship at least. There should be some stuff to do. Maybe oil rig, something. Oops, okay. Yeah, now I need to get used to the joystick, of course. There's a couple of things I need to do. Maybe a bit of trimming here. Okay, the pitch, I should be able to kind of keep it in control, more or less. Here we go, here we go. Alright, so let's have a look. We have something on the coast here. Balloons. Let me see the mountains. Do we have some high mountains? Yeah, okay, let's see. Let's go there for a sec and take a look. We have a road, okay. Not nice. Not stuff, not a lot of stuff there. Does this get any higher? Yeah, there's a bit of a tip there. We can try the tip. For example, and see in the meantime where the ships are. So let's see. What's that? Is that a hole in the ground? What is it? I don't know. Hey, Ezio. Oh, what happens if Marvin is on this flight too? That we all die, man. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. There's no females. Ah, no, come on. It's plenty. Plenty. I think. I don't know. So I want to land on a tip. I hope Marvin is not here. I hope someone will take care of him. I think we have special devices on the helicopter just because it's kind of, you know, it's kind of difficult to handle things. But yeah, it might happen. One day it might happen. And in that case, we probably all die. I think. We might all die in that case. So, first of all, let's go up and see whether we can land, okay, here, on a little space, if there is somewhere we can land. I don't know. So let's start reducing a bit power. Austin ingested him. Yeah, that was my understanding as well. That was my understanding as well, man. I don't know. So, what are we gonna do here? What is that we need to do here? Where is the people, the injured people? Let me see. Ooh, interesting. Balloons, okay. There's a little area there. Maybe we could try and land there. Maybe this one as well. I don't know. Let's turn around and see. Shoot himself out. Nice, man. Oh, there's a ship there. That could be interesting. However, we need to get these people first. So I don't know if we can, but I'll try. People, don't worry. We'll try and save you. If not, we'll probably kill you during the operation. But don't worry. I think I've seen a... There you go. That little thing there. We probably hit the balloon. We don't really care. That area there, yeah? This one here. This one there. There you go. Oh wow, really? That fast? Okay. Alright. Wait. Alright. Wait. What the fuck are you doing? Mad Max! Hello, sir! Man, you have no idea what I'm doing. This is crazy shit, man. I'm probably gonna crash as well. Probably. Wait. I probably will crash, don't worry. Just give me some time. I probably will. I'm doing something really crazy. Okay. Okay, let me see if I can... Let me see if I can do something here. Ah, come on, really? Are you joking? No, I am probably. Okay. Right, I'm too tired. Alright, wait. Oscar, hello sir. What's up, man? I can't run a helicopter. That's what's up. I sound hangover. No, I'm not hangover, man. I'm, maybe I am hangover a bit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Okay, I'm gonna crash probably. Wait. Oh, wait. Okay, this could result in a crash, but maybe won't. Okay, let me see if I can land there at least. Come on, man, go down. Why am I not able to control it today? I don't know. Well, not just today, of course, but today more than ever. Down, baby, down. I know. You can do it. You can do it. Oh shit! I'm fired. Well, thankfully. Wow. Wait. This is not how it should be done. This is really not the way it should be done. So let me see. Let me do it again. Okay, first of all, there's a lot of pedal that I have no idea why I have to use. Let's try and make it better. And make it better, like the Beatles used to say. I don't know. The fuck? Alright, wait. I know I'm fired. Wait. You fired me already the other day. Why? How can you fire me twice? Now, explain. Alright. So, hover a bit, maybe. Jesus Christ. I really can't. Man, I know. I know, Chevy. It's unbelievable. I don't know what the fuck. Explain or explain? Oh, man. The fuck? I don't know. Something off. There's something I think it's probably me. It has to be. Let me see. So let me see. The fuck should I do now? Let me see. Let me keep trying these landings, yeah? Keep try this and see what the story is. Maybe from the top. From the top. There you go. something weird. I don't know. Maybe I'm sure it's me, of course, but I don't know why. Okay, I don't know. Can I do something there? Okay, sorry, tree. Sorry. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Down, 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 down. Okay, fuck it. Man. Yes, absolutely, Wasgob. Yes, absolutely. That's exactly what's gonna happen. What's going on? Why I'm not able to do this? Okay, so first of all, there's a lot of pedal I'm using. I don't know why. I think this is because probably the wind. I don't know. Let's try and do this. All right, let's see. All right, let's see. Sorry guys, I'm a bit muted. I'm gonna try and do a bit of, I don't know. I don't really know what I'm doing, to be honest. I think I'm trying to see whether I can still fly a heli, basically, but I don't think so. So I might actually give up. I don't know. We'll see. Go. Okay, let's see if we can do this thing together, yeah? Dear heli. So we climb. Oh, there's a road there. There's a street lamp. Okay, go there, baby, go there. Let's see what's there. Oh, wow, okay. There's a road. Okay, fine. Oh shit. Why? Okay. Man. Horrible, horrible, horrible. But yes, that's exactly what's gonna happen, I think. I'm a bit afraid actually that that's exactly what's gonna happen. With no difference whatsoever with what you're saying. Okay, guys, I'm incapable. I'm really incapable. Let's try and bother the balloon people and see whether at least I can do that. Sorry, tree. Sorry, sorry. Yeah, let's see if I can get close to them and bother them. It's gonna be difficult, even that one. Maybe I should go back and fly some Cessnas. 172, that's it. Maybe I should do that. Maybe I can jump with a parachute. I can try to fly the hot air balloon, something like that. But really, no helipads in the airport? That sucks. Are these only waving people? Are these the fast wavers? Let me see. Mach is 90 degrees. Ooh. Really, Mega? Ooh. That's not nice, isn't it? I think mine is probably too, I don't know, something like that. Something crazy like that. Could be. Ooh, 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 ooh. Not too much. Where is the balloon? Where is it? Okay. You could cook eggs on it. Yeah, I understand, man. I understand absolutely. Totally. The fuck is it? Where are them? Ooh. Why are we not going towards them, man? Oh, because I'm probably crashing. Okay, not anymore. We probably got a little... shall we chop them? Chop them, chop them. Boom. Boom. Yes. We did it. Okay, let's see. Wow, man. Okay, fuck it. Fuck the balloon. That's it. Balloon, you're a bastard. Let's see a ship. Should we do a ship? We'll see. Maybe we can try one. And go somewhere, I don't know, let's see. Is there anything interesting around here? Well, there was the balloon, but I'm not really able to hover it. To hover around it. That's already pretty bad. But, look, we can do something else here. I think there was a boat somewhere. Or we could even try and land next to that tree on the beach. Yeah, I landed on the beach maybe. Something like that. We'll see if there is something. Oh, mega. 400 miles to Fiumicino. Oh, man. That kind of sucks. I understand. But look, it's fine. Don't worry. Yes, ignore the miles. Absolutely. Now, let me see. There's really nothing. Just like peaks of stuff. Man, that's yeah. Not really much around here, but we'll try and see something else. Maybe there's a boat there. We could try and land on the beach. We need to salvage some people, but we probably end up doing worse to them if we ever attempt. It's interesting though, there are those little beaches there. Yeah, the beaches that might be interesting to land on. Might be a nice thing. Oh, wait. Let me see, what is there? Yeah, not much. Really nothing. Wow. Okay, the beach it is then. Alright, so if I do this and turn back the other way, we should be able to do something. Is that a road? Oh, wait, that's a road. Oh, that's a very good suggestion actually, Chevy, yes. Yes, Mega, that's a very good advice. Is that a road? What the... Oh, alright, it's a road. Right, interesting. I'd like to see some cars going there. Oh, there is one. Look. There's a car going in this road. How can they do... How can they even do... Oh, there are cars. Look. They actually go in this road. Wow. Astonishing. Very interesting. Look at this. Nice. Okay, let's see if I can land there. Actually there. Oops. What am I doing? What the hell am I doing? I want to land there, but I can't. Ooh, man. Okay, I'll try here then. There's clearly something doesn't work today for me. And Alice, definitely. Oh shit. I think, I don't know, Chevy, it's a good question. Very good question. Still, I don't know why you would build a road here. I really don't know. Okay, wait. Don't go this way. Alright. Okay, maybe we can make this.